Former IRS contractor who leaked former President Trump's tax records has just been sentenced to 5 years in prison. 38-year-old Charles Littlejohn pleaded guilty in October. That's him on the right alongside his lawyer. Littlejohn also leaked the tax returns of Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk. NBC News Justice and Intelligence correspondent Ken Delanian joins us now. So, Ken, the judge had some strong words for Littlejohn during the sentencing. Take us inside what happened in the courtroom today.
Yeah, that's right, Sinclair. Judge Anna Reyes called Littlejohn's crime the biggest heist in IRS history and said he deserved the maximum sentence she could impose, in part because he targeted a sitting president and thousands of others. The judge compared Littlejohn to January 6th rioters, saying that he took the law into his own hands because he was convinced of his own righteousness. She called what he did an attack on our constitutional democracy. Now, the Justice Department said that Littlejohn went to great lengths to cover his tracks as he queried IRS databases and downloaded that confidential material, though prosecutors did not explain exactly how he was caught. For his part, Littlejohn explained himself by saying that he felt taxpayers deserved to know how easy it was for the wealthy to avoid paying. He said he fully expected to be caught, and he did apologize to the court, but he also made clear he believes he did something that he believes was in the public interest, Sinclair.
And Ken, it's not lost on me that it's 2024. We're in an election year. Former President Trump did face a lot of backlash in 2016 when he refused to release his tax returns. So what does the law say exactly about elected officials and the public's right to actually see their taxes?
Well, every president since Richard Nixon has voluntarily released his tax returns, but no law requires that disclosure. And as you said, Mr. Trump refused to release his, just as he refused to place his assets in a blind trust, as most other presidents have done in the past. There are bills pending in Congress that would require presidential candidates to release their tax returns, but so far, none of them has passed. The federal ethics law requires federal officials to file financial disclosures, which list their assets and liabilities in ranges. But it's much less information than you would find on a tax return, Sinclair.
All right, Ken Delanian in Washington for us. Thanks so much.